I'm Richard Young, Director of Education at the Frontier Energy Food Service Technology Center. In this short video, Chef Mark Dusler and I will give a brief explanation of how induction cooking works and how you can learn more about induction technologies and energy-efficient commercial kitchens. Induction heat transfer is a very different method of moving heat and heating up the cookware than anything that we've seen before. And basically, we have an electrically charged copper coil that sits underneath the cooktop surface. And we run current through that, alternated back and forth very quickly, and that creates an electromagnetic field. But the electromagnetic field can't really do anything. It is not doing anything until we put ferrous metal cookware, and ferrous means that it is magnetic, has some iron inside of it. And when we place that in the field, an electric current is induced in the actual cookware. So the cookware is what heats up. The top of the cooktop, the coil, none of that heats up. All of that energy gets translated directly into the cookware, which makes it a very, very effective way to heat up your pot or pan. The cookware becomes the heat generator. It's a super efficient appliance. And the interesting thing is, without any cookware sitting on the cooktop or in that electromagnetic field, then no energy is consumed and no heat is produced in the cookware. I'd like to introduce you to the Food Service Technology Center's consulting chef, Chef Mark Dusler. Chef Mark has removed the glass top on the tabletop induction unit to expose the induction coil. Let's see what Chef Mark has to say.
Induction cooking technology operates on an entirely different principle. In front of me, you'll see an exposed induction cooktop. When using induction, the pan itself is the heat source. This is achieved by alternating magnetic fields generated by a copper coil. The molecules within the pan are excited, which produces heat energy. Because the cooking vessel itself is the heat source, we don't have the inefficiencies associated with the heat being transferred from one source to another.
Let's have a closer look at the exposed insides of that induction cooktop. If you notice, right in the center of the coil there's a temperature sensor, and that temperature sensor is glued right against the ceramic glass top of the cooktop. What that means is that the induction control system is able to measure the temperature of the glass cooktop, which is the same as the temperature of the pan, and of course that means it's the same as the temperature of the food. So that means that you can have very precise temperature control. So for instance, if you wanted to poach some eggs, you could set that temperature of the cooktop at 180 degrees, and that temperature sensor would constantly be measuring the temperature of the pan and holding that temperature at 180 degrees. It is a feature of induction cooktops, which is really great because it provides precise control. The Food Service Technology Center has a full suite of commercial induction cooking and holding equipment available for demonstrations. Currently, all demonstrations are virtual, but once the pandemic has ended, the center will resume live demonstrations as well. Induction demonstrations are sponsored by PG&E and offered at no cost to industry professionals. During the demonstration, you will work directly with Chef Mark Dusler, and Chef Mark will answer all your questions and help you determine how induction technologies best fit your needs. You will get to see different types of induction equipment in action, including a full-sized induction wok range and multi-hob induction range tops. Chef Mark can also show you complementary pieces of equipment and cooking techniques that save both energy and labor. And in addition to equipment demonstrations, the center staff can assist you with project consultations and help you get PG&E rebates for efficient equipment purchases, all at no cost to you. Finally, Todd Bell, the center's resident energy survey expert, can do a virtual survey of your existing food service facilities. For more information, contact the Food Service Technology Center at fstc@frontierenergy.com or call us at 925-866-2844. You can also reach us directly through our emails. And if you have any kind of commercial food service projects, I encourage you to reach out to us and let us help you. The California EnergyWise website is the go-to resource for all commercial food service operators and other industry professionals. Learn about rebates, use the free ROI calculators, and attend education and training seminars on a wide variety of food service-related subjects. These are practical tools designed to help you save energy and stay profitable. If you would like to go deeper and learn more about building decarbonization and electrification, I would highly encourage you to utilize the no-cost training offered by the PG&E Energy Centers. Interested in learning how you can create an energy-efficient kitchen and how induction cooking can meet your needs? We are here to help. Please email us or visit the Food Service Technology Center website at fishnick.com for more information. We're looking forward to helping you create the energy-efficient, low-carbon kitchen of the future. Thanks for listening.